A very good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss about the map work on chapter 2, that is socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution. In this chapter there are total 7 map points you have to locate and level, and these are the 7 countries, major countries which participated in the First World War. So these 7 countries are known as Allied and Central Powers. 3 central powers you have to locate, and the 3 central powers were Germany, Austria-Hungary and Turkey. So these countries were known as the central power, and 4 countries which you have to locate which were known as the Allied powers were France, England, Russia and USA. So let us look at these 7 countries on the political map of the world. Your syllabus prescribes for these 7 countries the major participants of the First World War. They are divided as central powers and allied powers. In central powers, you have to locate Germany, Austria-Hungary, Turkey, and in allied powers, you have to locate France, England, Russia, and USA. Now let us locate one by one. The first country among the central powers is Germany. It is colored in red. Look at this is Germany. Okay, where is the location of Germany? ऊपर में इंग्लैंड है, साइड में फ्रांस है, एंड हियर इज पोलैंड, उसके साइड में रशिया है. सो द फर्स्ट कंट्री इज जर्मनी. दिस इज द फर्स्ट सेंट्रल पावर. सेकेंड लोकेशन ये है ऑस्ट्रिया हंगरी. द सेकेंड लोकेशन इज ऑस्ट्रिया हंगरी. जर्मनी के नीचे आपको लोकेट करना है ऑस्ट्रिया हंगरी में, एंड यू विल लोकेट on the political map of the world. The third country among the central powers is Turkey. Look at here. अफ्रीका और एशिया को जो जोड़ता है, here you have to look at Turkey. So these are the 3 countries which is given as A, B, C. Look at A Germany, then B ऑस्ट्रिया हंगरी, C टर्की. ये लाइन से, ये कंट्री से, टर्की, दिस इज ऑस्ट्रिया हंगरी एंड दिस इज जर्मनी. These 3 are the central powers. Now let us look at the allied powers. To start with, we will start with France. ये जो ऑरेंज कलर में लोकेटेड है, दिस इज ऑरेंज कलर, टर्म्ड एज D. दिस इज फ्रांस. जस्ट आप देखो जर्मनी के नेबर, इस बीच में और कंट्रीज है. यहाँ पर बेल्जियम है, नेदरलैंड है, वो आपको नहीं लोकेट करना है. यहाँ 3 कंट्री आप याद रखो, एक जर्मनी है, दिस वन इज फ्रांस एंड दिस वन इज इंग्लैंड. सो योर नेक्स्ट कंट्री आफ्टर फ्रांस, फ्रांस द एलाइड पावर. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज इंग्लैंड. द नेक्स्ट एलाइड पावर इज इंग्लैंड. हम एलाइड पावर में 4 कंट्रीज को दिखा रहे हैं और सेंट्रल पावर में 3 कंट्रीज को. तो द फर्स्ट कंट्री ऑफ एलाइड पावर इज फ्रांस, जो D लिखा हुआ है. ठीक है, क्योंकि हम लोग सीधे सीधे 1 2 3 4 करके जा रहे हैं. द नेक्स्ट कंट्री अमंग द एलाइड पावर्स, हियर इट इज रिटन E. दिस इज इंग्लैंड. ये पूरा एरिया इंग्लैंड इज ऑल्सो द allied power. Now the next country is Russia. Russia is there in Asia also. You can look at this much, that in European part. So that is enough. So this is Russia. So Russia was also one of the allied powers. And the last allied power you have to show is USA. You just see an interesting fact. All these 6 countries are in Europe and only 1 country, that is in North America. So in North America, you have to look at USA. So these are the 7 countries which you have to look at for your map work in chapter 2. So practice this